up guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Geof, if you don't already know, and if you haven't already, subscribe down below for more cool content just like this coming your way on a weekly basis. Today guys, I got a good one for you coming at you. We're talking about grooming and shaving specifically, and some good habits to get that clean shave that you really want to keep you looking good and fresh for those ladies out there. We all know shaving can be a hassle and sometimes problematic. Studies show that 50 to 60% of us guys have sensitive skin, just like myself. That includes redness, razor bumps, ingrown hairs, and that occasional nick or cut that you may have that us guys experience all the time. The first step in starting off to having that clean shave that you guys really want is to start by hydrating your skin and rinsing it with warm water, clearing it of any dirt, oils, and opening your pores and getting rid of all of those impurities to having that clean shave that you really want to have. The next thing you're going to want to do is use an exfoliation of some sort to start cleaning your face, scrubbing it gently, and getting rid of any of those impurities, including, oils, ingrown hairs, that dead skin, to having a much smoother shave. A quick side note here would be to exfoliate 3 to 4 times a week to prevent any of those red bumps and or razor burn that you may get off and on through shaving. Irritating skin can be itchy and or painful at a lot of times, and just to kind of go into more of a detailed aspect of it, it is basically ingrown hairs that grow back into your skin that create that irritation that, as I said, can be very painful at times. And to prevent that, maybe just change up your razor more often and exfoliate 3 to 4 times a week. Next up is choosing the right shaving cream and or gel for all of you good looking dudes out there with sensitive skin. I recommend one with 0 alcohol content or a gel for sensitive skin itself. What you want to do is rub it into your hand at first before applying it to your face. And as a best practice, let it soak into your skin for 1 to 3 minutes. Now it's time to shave. And for best results, I recommend using a multi-blade razor. If you find the blades are dull and or the strip above the blades are worn out, consider replacing it. One of the most frustrating things about us guys and facial hair is that it grows in every direction. It grows in swirls, it grows up, it grows down, it grows sideways. So finding the right way to shave for your particular face and the shape of your face is key to preventing all of these razor bumps, nicks, and cuts and redness that we're talking about here. What works best for me is that I shave downwards. I found that over time it prevents me from having any types of razor bumps and or any type of nicks and cuts. A quick pro tip here guys would be to let the razor do all the work for you, not pushing or pulling against the blades, as it's not designed that way, and just letting the razor do the work that it's built for in the first place. Next up, you're going to want to apply a moisturizer after each shave itself. I find for myself, having sensitive skin, if I'm not applying moisturizer each and every shave, my skin feels very dry and irritated, and thus I just don't feel comfortable throughout my day. So always remember after you shave to rinse your face thoroughly with cold water and applying a moisturizer to refresh and hydrate your skin to keep you guys looking young, fresh, and sexy all day long. That does it for me today guys. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys next time.